Aloha, I'm Andy, and in this video I will do an unboxing and I will share my first impressions about this Remington hair clipper. I bought this Remington HC5035 color cut hair clipper for about $18 plus delivery fees. The box is the usual colorful cardboard box. In the front of the box we have some photos and information about the product. The hair clipper color is white with gray, the blades are from stainless steel, the package is a 16-piece kit, includes 9 color guide combs, but I counted 11 in the photo. In the back of the box we have more photos and information in different languages about the hair clipper. Stainless steel blades, high quality, durable steel blades for a consistent cutting performance. 16-piece kit including 9 color guide combs, for easy comb selection. Precision linear cut, linear blade motion for clean and even cuts to avoid pulling of hair. Taper lever, for precise cutting lengths. Anti-slip grip, for greater comfort and control. 3-year guarantee plus 1 extra year when you register online within 28 days at www.remingtoneurope.com/register. At the bottom we have more information. The EIN code is 400849686737. The hair clipper is powered by a 10 watts motor and works with 220,240 volts alternating current. The noise level is around 78 decibel. And is manufactured in People's Republic of China. Now let's begin the unboxing. Like I said, the box is made from cardboard, so for now is environment friendly. In the box we have another brown cardboard box which is environment friendly too. I already like this product. So here are the different size and color combs. First package of combs. Second package of combs, 1 package with 2 brushes, 1 scissors and 1 styling comb. Third package of combs. The hair clipper. The warranty card and the user manual in different languages. And 1 more package of combs. First let's take a closer look to the hair clipper. The body is made from a good quality plastic. I like it. The blade has a plastic cap for protection and has a hygiene seal. In this way I know it wasn't used before. Unsealing was more difficult than I expected. I had to use my cutter. It has a good grip in my hand. The taper lever has 6 position from 0.5 to 2 mm. For your own safety and the clipper blade protection, when you don't use the clipper, please put back the protection cap on the blade. The power cord length is about 184 centimeters, so it is long enough to cut your hair if you have a wall plug in the bathroom near the mirror. This is the scissors. It's not a professional scissors, but I will use only for correction if I miss one or two hair. There are two brushes, the small one is to clean the blade and the bigger one is to clean your neck. I will use the neck brush for the blade cleaning and I will purchase a bigger brush to clean my neck. The styling comb is a simple plastic comb. Here we have the 9 different colors and sizes guide combs, the 25mm, the 22mm, the 18mm, the 16mm, the 12mm, the 9mm, the 6mm, the 3mm, the 1.5mm. And these are the 2 extra combs that you should using near the ears, one for the left side and the other for the right side. The hair clipper net weight is about 338 grams, is not heavy, my arms won't get tired from a single haircut. When you snap on the combs you will hear a click sound. The power on of switch is pretty tight, so you won't start or stop accidentally. Maybe the sound level is a little bit higher than the professionals' tools that are used in the barber shops, or maybe my room is smaller and that's why I think is louder. When I power on, I can feel the motor weak vibration, but I think this is normal. At the end I will share my positive and negative impressions about this hair clipper. Environment-friendly packaging. Good quality materials. 9 color combs for easy grade selection from 1.5 to 25mm. Self-sharpening blades. Taper lever with 6 positions from 0.5 to 2mm. 3+1 year warranty. Instead of many plastic combs, I would preferred one stainless steel lock-in length settings. The recommended sewing machine oil isn't delivered in the package. I didn't made a hair cutting test because I don't have any tripod and softbox. Maybe the Santa Claus will surprise me. Thanks for watching, see you next time. Please don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. Goodbye.